Hello everyone, this is Tanya here from EduTV and I welcome you all to today's Counselors Meet. On behalf of EduTV, I'm delighted to have you all with us in today's session. The topic for today is AI as a counseling ally. Using AI to improve counseling quality without using the human touch, which we all know is very important. Now, in a time when technology is transforming education, the role of counselors remains more vital than ever, guiding students not just with the information, but yes, with empathy, insight, and care. I'm truly honored to have with us Mr. Sachin Garg, the founder of Journey Intellect, a professional from and an alumnus from IIT Roorkee and NYU. He has been deeply involved in mentoring students to build meaningful global partners and having academic pathways. We look forward to his valuable perspectives on how AI can responsibly support and strengthen the counseling process. Welcome to the program, sir.
Thank you. All right. So, as Tanya ji introduced the topic, this is about using AI as a counseling ally and without losing the human touch, especially in the case of counselor, your human touch is very, very important. It will never go away. All we can use AI is for, as an aid in certain areas, which we'll try to cover, how we can use it ethically. And in the case of AI, there must be standards within your schools on in terms of what data you can put in AI and all that, because you should never use, personal information in AI. You should always use anonymous information, that basics you may be aware of, but you will always apply it in the context of your own school and their policies. So just a little bit about my background. You can see on the screen, I'm the founder of Journey Intellect. We help students, mentor them for their college journey abroad, and then mentor them for a long-term success. And my past background is about 30 years in corporate. I'm a pass out of IIT Roorkee and then NYU, and I've spent better part of my career in the US and Bangalore before I moved back here to the Delhi region around 2020. So with that, we'll get started. I hope by the end of this session, you get some basics. Many of you may already be advanced users, so bear with us if you are already an advanced user of AI, but I am just taking this as a basic workshop where you can pick up some things and apply in your specific situations. So I'll move ahead. So this is a two-part thing. First part, we will try to understand what's the role of AI in counseling, whether it is your mental health or psychological counseling or career college counseling. And then the second part will be, we'll do a quick demo of a few prompts that we believe will be useful for specifically for the career type of things. We can, if you like what we are doing, we can share a few prompts later on in the realm of psychological counseling also, so that you get a flavor of that as well. So with that, let's get started. By the way, I forgot, I also have my one of my counselors on the call. Her name is Priyanka. So she's also there on the meeting. So just so you get to know her as well. So as you can see on this slide, basically AI's role is to assist us. It can never be the decision maker. The decision maker is the counselor, and there is student which owns some of the information that uniquely belongs to the student. It's whether it is their authentic choices, their reflections, their integrity, their effort and follow through. So that's the realm of the student. That information comes from student. The counselor decides the context and the constraints. You are aware of a personality of the student. You are aware of the subjects they have. You are aware of the constraints. For example, if we are talking about career counseling, what kind of financial background they may be bringing, and their well-being, of course, feasibility, fit, accountability, everything. And then AI is there to summarize and compare. It is there to generate options, draft questions, organize information. So For example, in the summarize and compare, you can feed a certain personality type to the AI using the student's information, your own judgment about that student, that information, and then AI can give you certain career options that may suit that particular student. Same way, if you are looking at college choices, you can feed the information related to what the student subjects are, what is their financial profile, in terms of budgets and all that, and what's their career interest, and then it can probably generate options in terms of college choices, whether it is in India or abroad. So those are some of the examples we'll also look at practically in the later part of the session. So that is the distinction we basically say when we use AI. AI is there to assist, counselor decides, and student owns the information and brings that authentic choice, reflection, integrity into the process. So with that, we move forward. I think you all must be aware. I mean, I don't know if you have anything to speak about on this. There are certain things which are absolute no-nos when we use AI. I'm sure there are anti-plagiarism policies in place in your schools. It should never be the best choice decider. The AI is not the best judge for it. You should always look at options that it generates. You should never use it for sensitive personal data in the AI. And always we cannot replace the student thinking and ownership. So if any of you have anything at this stage to speak about in terms of, if you could tell us, have you used AI in any of the contexts that I just talked about? I would like to hear from one or two of you if you can share your experience.